Identify the like terms. Remember that the like terms have the same variable to the same exponent. So in question A, 3y and 2y have variable y to the exponent of 1. So these are the like terms. For question B, the like terms are 8g and 5g because both have the variable g to the exponent of 1. For question C, 6m and 1.5m are the like terms. Both have the variable m to the exponent of 1. 3m squared has the same variable but to a different exponent, and 4n has a different variable. Question D, half of y and 3y and 2.5y are the like terms because they all have the variable y to the same exponent 1. Question E, 2.1y to the power of 3 and 0.8y to the power of 3 are like terms because they both have the variable y to the exponent of 3. 2y has the same variable but not the same exponent, and 0.5x has a different variable. Question F, the like terms are minus 3rs and 2rs. Both have the same two variables to the same exponent. R is to the exponent of 1 in both terms, and s is to the exponent of 1 in both terms. So these are the like terms. Simplify. Remember that simplifying in math means to add or to subtract, in other words, to collect the like terms. An example could be that if you go out during the Halloween and at one house you get 2 packs of chips and at another house you get 3 packs of those same chips, when you were asked at home how many chips you got, you wouldn't say I got 2 bags of chips and 3 bags of chips. Most often you would say 5 bags of chips, or in other words you would simplify. So here in question A you have 2t plus 3t. When we simplify that, we would say that that equals to 5t. In question B, you have 5m plus 2m. When we simplify, we would say we have 7m, where m is unknown number. We don't know what it is. In question C, you have 2y squared plus 7y squared. They are like terms because they have the same variable to the same exponent, so we can add them. That equals 9y squared. Question D, 12x squared plus 6x squared. Again, they are like terms. They have the same variable x to the same exponent 2, so we can add them, and that equals 18x squared. Question E, we have more. We have 4n plus 3n plus 6n. So we could go step by step. We could add 4n plus 3n is 7n, and then we have to add 6n. That will equal to 13n. In question F, we have 5x squared plus 2x squared plus 3x squared. Once again, we can add step by step. The first two added will be 7x squared plus 3x squared will equal 10x squared. Simplify. Question A, 5t take away 3t. So again, let's say you had 5 bags of chips, take away 3 bags of chips. So you have left 2 bags of chips. Don't forget to carry the bags of chips with you. B, 13m minus 5m. So you would subtract 13, take away 5, will equal 8. And again, 8 by itself doesn't mean anything because we don't know what m is. What number is m that's multiplied by 8? So we have to carry the variable with us. 4t take away t equals 3t. 8m minus 2m minus 3r. Now 3r is not a like term with the other two because it has a different variable. So we only can subtract 8m take away 2m, and that equals 6m. And we still have that 3r that we don't know what it is. We have to carry it with us. So the answer is 6m minus 3r. Simplify. Question E. 12y squared minus 6y squared, both are like terms, so we can collect them, and that equals 6y squared. Question F. 12x to the power of 3 and minus 6x to the power of 3 are like terms, so we can collect them, and that equals 6x to the power of 3. 4x squared plus 2x squared also are like terms, so we can collect them, and that equals 6x squared. Question G. 14n and negative 6n are like terms, so we can collect them, and that equals 8n, and we have minus 7t there as well. Question H. All three terms are like terms, so we can collect them. 5 take away 2 take away 3 is 0. 0 times x squared, and 0 times any number equals 0. Identify as a monomial, binomial, or trinomial. Question A, you have two terms in this polynomial, so we call it a binomial. Question B, we have only one term, so we call it monomial. Question C, you have four terms, so this polynomial doesn't have any special name, it just is a polynomial. Question D has only one term, so that's a monomial. Question E has two terms, so binomial. Question F, three terms, so trinomial. Question G, three terms, so trinomial. And question H, one term, so monomial. Simplify. Question A. We have two like terms, 3x and 4x, and in this case we have to add them. So we add the coefficients, equals 7x. Question B. We have 12y, take away 6y, that equals 6y. Question C. 6b, take away 3b, equals 3b. Question D. 3x squared plus 6x squared equals 9x squares. Simplify. Question E. 9y squared take away 6y squared, that equals 3y squared. Question F. 4x plus 6x minus 7x. You can go step by step. 4x plus 6x is 10x, and 10x take away 7x is 3x. Question G. 2a plus 6a minus 7a. Once again, you can go step by step. 2a plus 6a is 8a. 8a minus 7a is 1a. 1 times any number is the number itself, so that equals a. Question H. 17x and minus 7x are like terms, so we can collect these two. 8x squared is not a like term, it has the same variable, but the exponent is different. So we will add 17x and minus 7x. That equals 10x, and that expression still has 8x squared,